here at the Lincoln dealership. Here with Zach. He's gonna test it out for me. The 21 on this Lincoln Navigator. If it prevents the swelling,
grab onto the lug, doesn't try and wiggle around to potentially damage the rim.
right.
But I also bought a special socket where there's plastic on the outside to prevent that. So this is sticking onto something, so I do like that as well.
This is the socket that he mentioned that he recently bought that has the plastic sleeve to protect the rims.
So this is what happened with it. What was happening is when you grab it, it would move around it, and every now and then it would chip the rim.
Gotcha.
So what I did is I went out and I bought some of these from Atco. This is a 19. My 21's actually broken at the moment. This is a plastic on the outside, so if it does move, the plastic's still going to protect the rim. But what I've noticed with yours is the socket itself isn't really moving. Like, as you can see, like there's like these lines going this way.
Yeah.
That's from it hitting a rim and a rub. There's a nice big white piece right there.
Right.
So when it's nice and tight, it'll move. Where with yours, at least on the first style run, I don't have any of that going on here.
Yeah, not at all.
So
What kind of torque do you put them back on at?
150. So I have a
150.
torque stick I'll grab.
Right. Put these back on at 150. Let me get an authentic, honest review.
Well, an authentic review would be that I would definitely have to test it more. But the initial first impression, I like it.
Okay.
If it hits market, I'd definitely be looking into getting it.
Awesome.
Sure.
So if you use this from the beginning, it'll prevent the swelling.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
If I had like a broader,
Right.
like if I saw the same socket be used or this style of socket used on the same lugs for so long, and I could prove that it's not swallowing, I promise you I'd invest in them because I've already invested in some plastic ones up the rim. So I can help their lug and the rim.
Yeah.
I'm personally going to invest it because I don't want to destroy their car.